Hello everyone, this printer is HP Deskjet 2710. You switch the printer on and off from this button. What I want to do is to show you how to replace the ink cartridges or how to install the ink cartridges. So to remove the ink, put one finger on top, put the ink down, put the other one down. This printer uses ink 305 black and 305 triple color. If you close this cover, if you go to the control panel, you see a warning light highlighting to show that ink cartridges are not installed. Open the ink access door, then you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself. So the black ink cartridge goes to the right. So this part of the ink need to go inside. Then pull it up. This is the colored one. Then you go in. The colored one goes to the left. Then pull it up. Then close the cover. Once you close the cover, then you wait. The light will go off from the control panel. This light is gone off. So this is how to install ink cartridges. This printer uses ink cartridges 305. Thank you.